There are a few extra trains today due to Chicago's famous Air and Water Show. This is one of them. Left Chicago at 5:40 and made regular all-weekend stops on this line. Normally they just put extra seating capacity on this line, but today they added extra trains, which is fortunate for a rail fan like me. 139 is the engine number. And now we're gonna zoom out. That's a lot of cars, so we are gonna move back. Let's look at that. And the farthest this platform goes is probably not gonna be enough. Still moving. It's still moving. Still moving. What is that? There's 2 yellow lights down there, but there's a flash yellow for this train. That's why I yelled, yeah. Oh, that's awesome. Nice P5 too. And there it goes. Oh, another remodeled cab car. Look at that fresh design on the back of that thing. Wowee. Alright, that's it.